Chief Minister Biren assures that benefits of programs launched in 100 days will reach people throughout the year. Handloom and Handicrafts Delivery Scheme launched. Minister Bishwajit assures people of reviving spinning mills in the state. In a shocking incident, a woman was shot dead by her husband at Kwakta Kuman, Hong Kong. Students on protest demanding shifting of Assam Rifles from Manipur University campus. And deplorable condition of roads to Moray Hospital poses grave danger to patients. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News. I'm Laithangwa Monica with the latest news updates. Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren today asserted that the benefits of the schemes launched as part of the 100 Days program of the government will be made available to the people throughout the year. He warned the bureaucrats that no one will be spared if the benefits do not reach the people. The Chief Minister was speaking at the 100 Days Achievements Come One Day Mega Event Awareness Program on various workers' welfare schemes organized by Department of Labour and Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board at Iboyaima, Sumanglila, Sanglin today. Workers were also distributed labour cards, 50 cycles, 120 sewing machines and 200 school bags at the event. The Chief Minister also handed over 2 ambulances for Bishnupur and Thoubal districts. Biren maintained that the schemes initiated by the government for the people were not just introduced for namesake but were introduced under the initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi after making sure that the schemes can be made available for the people of Manipur.
practically police secretary hospital anywhere mind of Mayam with the Praza, one free or gas fee feed the letter, Saturn, I don't want to live the cover. Implement over Praza, only the whole Namoy the board, the way, Namporoy, Namgo, Nameda kind of books of reset.
Chief Minister Biren condemns the previous Congress government for violating workers' rights and says many benefits meant for the workers were neglected. He said although he was part of the Congress government, he was not aware of various works that other departments could do. Biren said after he became the Chief Minister, he came to know various projects which could have taken up for the welfare of the people. He asserted the time has changed when ministers or Chief Minister just give orders and relax. The Chief Minister cited an example when shortly after introducing the Women Helpline number 181, he dialed the number which went unanswered. He said he came to know that following request from Manipur State Commission for Women, Social Welfare Department had outsourced the Women Helpline number to the Women Commission. He said it is being probed why the call was unanswered.
Officer high grade, officer, my Makata, high grade, and humbly looked at the table. A quick system, there nice or better. Other machine commissioner or director, whom Numin putting the monitor. Then only a quick month of direct no she's going to only I was going nothing Maran Sadana, Ministry Garisam, so they are doing animals from October. I Nahana, if I don't know, very appointed, which I did about me, Asian Road. Young kind of a to me later, the Hanaka, the Last sorry na haine lander de makha yorgo de temela de pura.
Textile, Commerce and Industry Minister Thongam Biswajit today launched the Handloom and Handicrafts Delivery Scheme under the government's 100 Days program to benefit the weavers. The launch was organized by Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industry, Directorate of Handloom and Textiles at MFDS Auditorium. Solar home lighting system were also distributed to the weavers at the event. Speaking at the launch of the scheme, Minister Biswajit assured that the spinning mill at Loitang Kuno will be revived to ensure supply of yarns to weavers at a cheaper rate. He also said as a pilot project, cotton will be cultivated in Moreh and Ziribam. The minister said the government will be able to export cotton and synthetic yarn by 2020 and urged all concerned to extend cooperation to the government in its effort to develop handloom and handicrafts in Manipur. Parliamentary Secretaries Thokchom Satyabrata and Indrajit, officials of handloom and handicrafts, textiles and commerce and industries and many weavers were present at the event. The scheme will benefit 1,612 weavers.
Entrepreneur mathorpa matam da lekai da natraga akhang ahi duna mi khra ko employment generate tawgada project tu da akoina paisa loksalaga kari gi dabak tana hap tu isi thabo loan pi bada paisa lo bahona bro masi culture ro akogi masi bu tradition la akogi masi muthat pa ha base akogi government gi pandam ne ha ma praja myam section khudimang na masi thaja bi o masi saina da akoina chaukhut pagi mamai mami tari bu puna muksu manipur da ju tarak paje thugani akogi sarkar gi oiba cabinet amadi akogi leriba whole political party ki oiba decision amalo kana PAC lo thokpiu adu akoi between the two regions ani gi marakta akoina trade and commerce amade akoi leriba helung gi production je sigi akoi exploration taw da mateng pambiu have si soina maki inabagi pandam je akoi already.
Students of the state can get vocational training courses in 40 colleges under Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham today launched the program at DM College Multipurpose Hall. Speaking on the occasion, Radhesham says the most of the items that people use in Manipur are imported. He stated that if the state can produce the products, the unemployment problem in the state can be reduced to an extent. He said it will not only boost the state's economy but will also bring peace in the society. Radhesham asserted that the vocational courses will benefit the youth of the state. The minister also released the curriculum of the vocational training courses.
Let us list down all items. Everything let us list down. What are the items which can be substituted, which can be replaced by the products which are produced in our state? Akoina adu photo kaya yauge amukta yembiyo yaudragana akoina honaraga yaumudra kari area da karam item da akoina if this young minds anova nas sina adu area sana kana adu tawragani akoi employment handlani our economy will be improved akoi society da tan tawa lerani social political economic change la.
IFCD Minister Letfao Haukeb asserted that parents must guide their children to help think rationally. Inaugurating Bonjoy Kuki Primary School and Kodamphai Primary School at Bonjoy and Kodamphai Village, established under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, the minister said without proper education, one cannot think rationally and have new and positive thoughts. Tengnopal MLA Di Korung Thang, officials of SSA State Mission Authority and teachers and students attended the event. One-day discussion on ease of doing agribusiness in Manipur was held at Hotel Imphal today. It was jointly organized by Innovative Charge Collaboration, ICCO, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development (NABARD) and Centre for Promoting Accountability. Speaking on the occasion, Parliamentary Secretary of YAS and Education K. Robindro says people and farmers do not fully understand the benefits of organic farming and that the departments concerned need to impart knowledge about organic farming to boost the economy of the state. He assured that he will do whatever he can to establish a food processing unit to help the entrepreneurs.
In Manipur, most of the people don't know what is organic and what are the benefits of the organic products we can get from organic. In market, when we see the difference between the organic product and the simple product, see the price, we in Manipur, we don't have any knowledge. Most of the farmers, most of the people, we don't have any knowledge about regarding these organic differences and what can give benefit to us, to the farmers, to the people. But somehow we have to give this knowledge to the farmer, to give knowledge, to give extra, extra effort. We can put up a team and go to the different part of the segment of the.
In a shocking incident, a woman was shot dead by her husband yesterday. The incident occurred late last night at Kwakta Khoman Thongkhong, Ward number 18 under Moirang Police Station. The victim is identified as 36-year-old Pukri Mayum Samila, daughter of Zamaruddin. The husband accused of shooting his wife is identified as Mohammad Safiruddin, 46 years, son of late Tolen Babu from Sangayumpham, Cherapur in Thoubal district. Safiruddin is a former cadre militant outfit PULF and is a rifleman of 8 Manipur rifles. Samila married Safiruddin 15 years ago and the couple now has a 13-year-old daughter and an 8-year-old son. She is the second wife and has been living at her parental home for about 8 years. According to locals, Samila was physically assaulted by her husband. Then he even stabbed her and hit with hammer on several occasions. After a team of forensic experts examined the body, it has been kept at rim smoke. Member of JAC formed against the murder, Tayyib Ali said Safiruddin has been urging Samila to return to Sangayumpham Cherapur, but she refused to go back as she has been physically tortured by her husband. He urged the authorities to arrest Safiruddin within 2 days and take action against him.
Maki Mapuroiban Safiruddin Hariba Nupasi Mak Ngarang Karangantak Laga Lakaida, which is Laga Mak Leramba Mayam Nating Basulere, Maxi Idemar de Layuni, Me like Tabagi Kudong Saba Yangaga, Puntramatoi Makai Muktarapa, Timing Siri Sangsel Laga, Haribat Hodoksi Toki, Leoribat. Maki Masanupi Madi Masanupa Anishigi Tungi Futuregi Yangaga Maui Maraivaki Kalaga Sarkar Daikwet Tanbayaba Imankra Ikwet Tangane Kanari Hariba Mihatpa Sibu Sarkarna Numinigi Manungda Paraga Maku Matiksaba Serak Mihat Pegi Serak to Sapsana Miamda Pihanba.
Community and Policy Project Manager of 3rd Asia Bangkok, Jiten Khwairapam, has stated that while there are approximately 340 lakh HIV infected persons globally, there are also an approximately 710 lakh hepatitis C virus HCV infected people. Speaking at an interactive session with media on hepatitis C at Shiroi Hall Hotel Imphal today, Jiten stressed the need to create an awareness since the public do not have enough knowledge about hepatitis C. There are national programs for AIDS, polio, TB, malaria, etc. However, there is not a single program or policy for HCV, which has infected about 80 lakh people across the country. When Khon performed tests in the last 3 years, 788 out of 1,678 persons tested positive for HCV in Manipur. President of Khon, R.K. Nalini Kanta, asserted that the test results proved that there are many people infected by the virus and appealed to the government to recognize it as a public health issue and take necessary measures to tackle it. The program was jointly organized by Community Network for Empowerment Khon and Coalition Plus. One-day orientation program on drug abuse prevention was held at International School of Research, Kanchipur. The program was jointly organized by National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and Regional Resource and Training Center, Notice, Manipur. More than 40 students and teachers took part in the orientation program. One-day rural media workshop on the role of media in the society was held at the conference hall of Institute of Cooperative Management (ICM) in Lamphilpat today. The event was organized by Press Information Bureau (PIB) Imphal branch under the aegis of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Speaking at the workshop, Station Director of All India Radio Imphal, Dilip Mayengbam, stressed the role of media in bringing about a better change in the society. He appealed to media persons to give unbiased and objective information. He also appealed and appreciated the works taken by the new BJP-led government within a few days. Dilip Mayengbam also said that there can be fast-paced development only when the government and the media maintain a good relationship. Director of Information and Public Relations Megachandra Khongbam, editor of Poknafam Aribam Robindro Sharma and several media persons attended the event.
सरकार पैकेज थोक में आपसे से अली में हम मीडिया में आपसे खन्ना लगा मीडिया में पता सिंपली लगा जो कि वकलों ने दिस थंबे से बरमदु ना कोई इलीबा आईडी मसी दसो टॉपिक खरदा कोई थंबे मसी द नतना कोई मीडिया की सुना है कोई वो लेदबदी कोई बड़ सरकार पैकेज की है से दाम मोटा सी की मतलब कोई विकी मिनिस्ट्री में आगे वेबसाइट से अन पैकेज दिस में आवा से याव
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates. English news. Students of Manipur University today staged a sit-in demanding removal of Assam Rifles camp from the university campus. Manipur University Students Union MUSU organized a sit-in on MU campus with the support of Notice Forum for International Solidarity, NEFIS, different civil society organizations and student bodies. President of MUSU, Buchi Mayanglangbam, said students are petrified because of the presence of armed force on the campus. He said MUSU has been demanding shifting of the Assam Rifles camp from the campus for the last 30 years. Buchi alleged that the government has remained silent on the issue. He said they will continue the agitation until their demand is met. Buchi also said a memorandum will be submitted to the governor and chief minister to press them to meet their demand.
World की मफम अमत दा लेतबा मोंगदा मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी खक्ता दने खोइगी असानफल केम अमा लेरिबसे मफम अतैददी असानफल दि लायरना एनी आर्म्ड यूनिफॉर्म पर्सनल अमता यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस मनुंग दा चंगनदे चंगबा तारगसु हाना अथॉरिटी की परमिशन लौरगा चंगबने दुबो अखोइगिददी असानफल खक्ता नतना असानफल लेबगी मिंगदा मणिपुर की स्टेट फोर्स सु मरम सुंगले लेतना संगथोक चंगसिन तौबगी थोवंगसि खोइ ततना उरि सिना अखोइगी लेरिबा माइरोय सिंगदा साइकोलॉजिकली अकी खंग फावनबा सिगुंबा प्रॉब्लम सि याम कन्ना चाउना थोकपसिना अखोइ हंदक के मतंग सिददी मरुइना सानफल केमसी तंगाइ फदन लोकथोक्तबा यादे हाइबगी खोंजंगसी जंक्शन बंगसिदगी हौरे
लौथोक्ट्रिबा अखोइ याम रिगुलस रेजिस्टेंस अमग लोइनरा कांदा अतो अतोपा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंगा प्रोग्रेसिव डेमोक्रेटिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का खुसमनरा कांदा अखोइ पंथुंगफम फंगद्रिबौदा अखोइ खोंजंगसे संगसंगिनी.
The 8th one-day block level awareness program on protection of children from sexual offences POCSO Act 2012, Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 and Right to Education Act 2009 was organized by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR, New Delhi, Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights and Manipur State Legal Services Authority in partnership with Association of Professional Social Workers APSW at the training hall of Association of Professional Social Workers Singjamai Chingamaka Chanampukri Mapal as part of the series of the block level awareness program today. 77 participants took part in the awareness program. Resource persons gave an overview of POCSO Act 2012, JJ Act 2015, RTE Act 2009 and limitation of CWC in the implementation of POCSO and Juvenile Justice Act at the program. The deplorable condition of roads leading to Moreh Hospital now poses grave danger to the patients coming to the hospital. The condition of the two roads from National Highway 102 to the hospital is so bad that there are chances of a patient travelling in an auto rickshaw falling off. The first road to the hospital is not only very narrow, but both sides of the road have been damaged. There are about 1 foot deep holes on both sides of the road, which is about 50 meters long. Huge stones have been placed at the dents, causing inconveniences to vehicles. The second road is filled with dust, and since the black topping has come off, this road is also have a lot of potholes. The hospital has patients not only from Moreh but also from neighboring Myanmar. These patients have to pass these two roads. People of Moreh allege that the authorities have not repaired the road for the last 5 years. They appealed for immediate repair. The health minister has also inspected the condition of the roads. MO in charge of the hospital, Dr. T. Vikramjit, said patients are buying medicines from the pharmacies since they do not want to pass these roads to reach the hospital. He appealed to the authorities concerned to repair the roads at the earliest.
Hospital lakpada patient awawa kaya mayoknare lambi ju potholes mayam leibanina auto akhoi ambulance thawbo yamna nungaitre sigi maram moiduna patient na bo akhoi hospital jida langningdre
National Highway ga samnari ba Moreh Hospital lambi animak amata sijina ba yadre sijina ba akhoi gi anaba purakpa matamda khudongcha da ba yamna thoe
National Highway gi hona lagba Moreh Hospital gi lambi se pakarot hanna leibadu hujik loina thukairu ga isingna thukaiba lambi du chadba out of house chadba nungaitre ken health minister lagba matang da su ekhona request tawjare hujik phau kari su action to leiramdre.
As observed across the nation, Imphal College National Statistics Day Observation Committee observed the National Statistics Day at Imphal College today. Speakers at the observance said statistics is all about collecting data from various departments and emphasized the need to collect the right data to ensure that there is no hindrances in development of a state. The National Statistics Day is celebrated every year on June 29 to mark the birth anniversary of renowned statistician Professor P.C. Mahalo Nobis. Manipuri Jagoi Marub, in collaboration with JN Manipur Dance Academy, organized one-day symposium on the life and work of Guru Maishnam Amubi on the 45th death anniversary of Guru Maishnam Amubi Singh, the first Manipuri Padma Shri awardee, at the Golden Jubilee stage of MJM Lamboi Khongnang Khong today. Participants offered floral tributes to the portrait of late Guru Amubi. Speaking on the occasion, advisor of Manipuri Jagoi Marub, Tagore Purushkar Devjani Chaliha, stressed the need for today's generation to recognize the contributions of Guru Amubi in the field of Manipuri classical dance. Devjani and R.K. Sabitri Sana performed two compositions of the late Guru with the artist of Manipur Jagoi Marub.
I'm so grateful to Manipuri Jagoi Marub for continuing his image and his dream of establishing a dance performing troupe. I hope it fulfills his dream, and with that I also have my dreams because I'm the advisor of this Manipuri Jagoi Marub, and we have a long way to go, and I will try to pursue his ideal as far as possible.
A person suspected to be a mobile phone thief was caught with a large number of Spasmo Proxivone tablets today. The incident occurred this afternoon around 2:30 at a Koigi hotel located at Andro Parking. People checked suspected persons after a customer who was having meal at the hotel allegedly lost his mobile phone. During the checking, they caught Mohammad Hifizur, son of Mohammad Sikandar from Pundrei, Awang Lekai, with 102 Spasmo Proxivone tablet hidden inside his helmet. Sources said Hifizur was part of a tour to Imphal arranged by Pundrei Awang Lekai Youth Club, and the incident occurred when the excursion team was having meal at the hotel. The real culprit, who stole the mobile phone, was also caught. However, he managed to escape, taking opportunity of the chaos created by the seized of the drugs. Upon investigation by the personnel of Irilbung police station, another member of the excursion team identified as Mohammad Ali Liba was also caught with 2 pieces of SP tablets. The 2 culprits have been taken to Irelbung police station for further investigation. Thoubal Achoba Mela Ground and Bazar Makham Mairam Paibilub held a sit-in today at Thoubal Mela Ground against the suspension of Dr. L. Subhash Chandra, who was a senior medical officer at Thoubal District Hospital. He was suspended on June 15. The protesters said Dr. Subhash Chandra treats poor patients with care and appealed for his reinstatement. Residents of Thangmaiban Kambrabam Laikai today staged a sit-in against the blast at TVS showroom located in the area yesterday morning. Taking part in the sit-in, Secretary of Thangmaiban Khonthaunganbi Maira Paibi K. Sakhitombi appealed for negotiations regardless of the mistakes rather than creating panic in the public places. She appealed to those responsible to clarify the matter.
Pikliba angang singna tumdana nungai na tumlingai da akhi akang piba haibase haurakliba pikliba angang da su isa singna brain wash tok thokpani haina nama akhoina logani amuk hana tawbiganu haina appeal tawjari karamba isa singna tawribano haiba do nama akhoida khanghan bira o haijari yumlakta bhom langsinba haibasidi khwaidagi wakhan pikpa miyoibana tawgadaba thabakni haina nama akhoina isa singda haijani.
India Drive Against Drug Abuse Kada Imphal East District Committee, Kada Wangkhem Unit and Wangkhem Nomai Laima Women's Development Kam Nisa Thingba Association seized 20 litres of liquor this morning around 11 from Ngangkham Binoy Singh, 59 years, son of NG Iboton Meitei from Kaira Wangkhem Mayai Lekai. The liquor was set on fire in front of RDS School, Wangkai. A cycle rally against drug abuse was organized today by District Legal Services Authority, Thoubal, with various NGOs as part of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking held on June 26. A meeting was also held after the rally reaching the destination. Farmers of Ithai Kuno were distributed 100 urea bags at subsidized rates jointly by Agriculture Department and Ithai Farmers Association IFA under the supervision of General Secretary of IFA Karam Ganeshwar. The farmers appreciated the Agriculture Department for distributing the fertilizers at subsidized rates and appealed for such assistance in future. MSPCL in a press release said power supply in areas covered under 33 kV Kongba to Sangai Pass, Jenims and Usoi Pokpi line will be shut down from 7 AM to 4 PM on June 30 for maintenance. Now the sports news. Imphal West District Football Association have won the 21st Sub-Junior Boys Inter-District Football Tournament. In the final played at Kumalampak Artificial Turf Ground today, Imphal West District Football Association Trust DSA Bishnupur 6-2 to back the title. For the winners, E. Santosh Kumar netted 3 goals, Monex Konthozam 2 goals, while H. Tomba netted 1 goal. M. Jetli and N. Abungton scored 1 goal each for the runners-up. Sai RC Takial defeated their rival in the 24th L. Sangita Devi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament. In the 8th match of the tournament played today at SKYC Sekmai Ground, the match between YWC Langtabal and SCK Kodompokpi ended in a draw. In the 9th match, Sai RC Takial defeated Thau Thangmaiban 4-2. The tournament is organized under the aegis of Imphal West District Football Association and 8 teams are taking part in it. The 4th round of the second Kuraizam Ram Narayan Sastri Memorial State Level Open Chess Tournament was held today. After the 4th round, KH Sanjoy and S. Premjit was leading with 4 points each. H. Jackie, O. Ningthem, A. Binit, A. Polen, E. Sashikanta and Y. Pritam Kumar are at 3 points each. A total of 56 players are taking part in the tournament organized by Juvenile Club Tera Sapam Leirak under the sponsorship of Kuraijam Ram Narayan Sastri Memorial Trust and aegis of Manipur Chess Association. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren assures that benefits of programs launched in 100 days will reach people throughout the year. Handloom and Handicrafts Delivery Scheme launched. Minister Bishwajit assures people of reviving spinning mills in the state. In a shocking incident, a woman was shot dead by her husband at Kwata Kuman, Hong Kong. Students on protest demanding shifting of Assam Rifles from Manipur University campus. And deplorable condition of roads to Moreh Hospital poses grave danger to patients.